Hello guys, welcome to my videos. So today we're going to play games. So anyways guys, if you want to see more videos on the channel, like, subscribe. So I have 800, so I'm gonna sell it again. But I need to sell all. So anyways guys, we're going to play some random games. Okay. So anyways guys, we're going to beat up the game. So that is good, okay? So where's we gonna go next? Okay. What? I thought I'm gonna here. Okay. Okay. So we're going to reset again. So we're going to just reset again. But I need to sell it. Okay. So we need to research the items. But every gift. Whatever gift I think is. Okay. So I only need Robux, but I can't even lose. What? Why did I just? Come on. Come on. I need to reset and just restart. Bro, I need to restart. What the heck? Okay, guys, we're playing it now. So, SM and FASTA, but they create a new one. They create a new updates in this game called Dev. So, anyways, guys, we're now going to kill the Dev. So that is good. I need to get items. Come on, let me get items. What the heck? Come on, come on, come on, come on, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get the hammer and also the bat. What's that? A crowbar? Okay, crowbar. So I'm gonna get the crowbar and the bat. So in this case, there's no bat in there. So I need to get the crowbar and also the justice bar. So that is good, guys. So anyways, we're going to get a crowbar. How? How should we get? Oh, I should get harder and harder, guys. We're going to be. Oh no, we're going to wait. We're going to kill all the guests. We're going to kill the guest, I guess. Okay. So where's the guest? I need to just run before. So, where's the guest? Okay. How can we run? Let's restart. Okay, I just restart it. Can I run, please? Okay, restart there. Come on. I don't want to reset all. I don't want to reset all, guys. So, otherwise, guys, we're going to run. Okay. How can I run? No, wait, hold on. Please, let me run. Oh my god, please, please, please. Can I run? Oh wait, I should run. I should run. Come on, open properly. Come on, open. Okay, so I can just open and close. So that's okay, guys. We got a hammer. So that is the point of this. Okay. So I need to kill Geth. So I'm gonna wait until items comes. So I need to get money. What do you think? Okay. I don't want to get money. So I need to sell again, but how can I buy or sell? Never know in the comments, guys. Oh my god. Okay. I only got a crowbar. What's that, a crowbar? Oh god, okay. Okay. What's the crowbar, huh? What's that you get? You corrupted gift? Hey, you corrupted gift, huh? Okay. What the heck? Oh my god, they just died. Okay. Oh my god, 809. Yes! Come on, where's it? Where's the gift, huh? Let me know in the comments, guys. Can I get it? Where's the gift? I can't buy, so I need to sell all again. I need to sell the soda. So this the soda has one. Joe. What is Joe? I don't really know. So I just deleted the comment because it's so rude to me. So that is alright. Go to. Okay. They keep on just bullying me and losing out of the time. Ah! What the heck? No! No, I'm gonna get lagging. Handgun! Oh my god! Go! I need to. Oh my god, get in! I need to get in because it's time. Wait, what's that? Wearing glasses. Oh, I'm wearing glasses. I'm wearing glasses, I think. Okay. So I need to wait until the GF comes. So, anyways, guys, we need to wait. So I'm gonna board. How can I board? I know I'm going to board something else, guys. I need to board something else. I need to board there before the guest will not attack me. So, anyways, guys, we're going to board. This player. Oh, oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Hey, you. You can't. What? Stop lagging. Stop lagging. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No, stop lagging. Stop. Oh my god, I'm itching. Please. Oh my god, I'm always lagging. I need to create a new avatar. For a second, guys. Wait a second. Bro, it's only a minute, guys. I'm gonna make a short video, I think. Oh my god. Just go, 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 go. Uy! Uy! Who are you? Go! Thank you. Thank you for my money, so we need to get it. Oh my god, 821. Guys, so I'm gonna upload quickly, guys. Before it's too late. So anyways, guys, I need to wait until the day comes. So that is day 2. So anyways, guys, we're going to survive, guys. So anyways, we're going to survive. A survival week. So I need to die. For the video ends, guys. Okay, so I'm not gonna die for a second or a minute, guys. For the videos end, guys. Okay, I just beat up the guest, guys. So it's gonna be a mistake. So I need to die. I need to die for a second. Okay, so goodbye, guys.